Okay, guys, it's Trinity Wilton. I'm going to name off all the cats that I have. Well, Katana, Sector, Sprinkles, Cupcake, Tom, Robert, Snowball, and Steak. No, not Steak, but Furball. Yeah, that's his name. We have a bunch of cats, but it's hard to keep up with their names. And then we got 2 more cats. It's exciting. They're Siamese. They're white. I will show you a picture of the 2 white kittens. The ones that were, the ones that were just born yesterday. Not yesterday, but the day before. We can't touch them since, they're newborn. Well, here's a picture. Here you can see them. They're playing. They're so cute. Bye.